Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share this DIY with you today, especially because I'll be sharing a way you can save even more money shopping at Dollar Tree, as well as several other online stores. So today's video is brought to you by TopCashBack, which is my favorite cashback app. TopCashBack.com has over 4,000 retail stores to choose from, and just by shopping through their app or their website, you'll automatically earn money back every time you shop. Some of my favorite stores are Walmart, Target, Dollar General, but they also have Dollar Tree on their site, which is what we will be ordering from today. I just want to walk you through the sign up process because it's so simple to enroll and you can start earning money right away. All you have to do is go to TopCashBack.com, type in an email and a password, and you are set. The next portion of the enrollment process will ask you some questions, including banking information, so they know where to send your earnings as you shop. What I love most about TopCashBack is there is no minimum required for payout, and they offer 100% commissions to their members. So because of this, they consistently feature higher rates than their competitors. Right now, they are offering you a $10 sign-up bonus just for signing up, plus cash back when you share your link with your friends and they spend $25. You're going to earn a bonus for that as well. So now I want to show you how simple the buying process is. Make sure that you're logged in, and then all you do is type in the store you want to shop through in their search engine. I happen to shop through DollarTree.com all the time, especially when I can't find items in my local store. Their online site has so many more items that I've ever seen in the stores. So I love that they have an option of shopping online. I always make sure I use their pick and pack section so I can order smaller quantities for DIY projects and for home decor. Once you check out, you will have money loaded back into your TopCashBack account, which you can then deposit back into your bank account. Thank you, TopCashBack, for sponsoring this video and for also giving every person that enrolls through the link in my description box a $10 enrollment bonus. Now, to start today's DIY, I wanted to first show you a few items that I found at Dollar Tree that do not need any type of DIY. These are just a few of the items that I found this year that I couldn't say no to. I'm actually finding it quite difficult to even be doing DIYs at Dollar Tree just because their items are already so cute that they really don't need any work at all. So I'm not complaining about that, but that's just something that I've realized over the last couple of years. But for our first DIY project, I found this cute little block sign, and then I printed off whatever I wanted the sign to say, and I peeled back the top. It was just paper, but I wanted to paint this, and I knew if it was on that like shiny film paper that the paint wasn't going to stick. So I just peeled that off. I'm painting just black around the rim because my sign isn't exactly it doesn't fit it exactly, if that makes sense. Another thing I'm doing is using those cute little felt balls and some beads. I picked out some black fluffy balls and some orange beads, and I'm just kind of stringing them through every other one. And I thought this would be fun to just hang on the sign when it was finished. Now I went in with some black craft paint and some orange craft paint, and I'm just making little lines down the side. This was like something I randomly did at the very end, and I thought it turned out really cute. And now I am just Mod Podging the sign onto the front of this to complete the look. This next one is really simple. I just grabbed a vase and some white spray paint, and I make sure to get the glossy spray paint. At least when I'm doing vases, I like the glossy look. And I just added a few really cute fall stems into this vase. These were from Dollar Tree, you guys. They are really stepping up their game, I swear. Anyway, I didn't like it completely blank, so I added some Dollar Tree twine around the top of the vase to just give it more of like a little bit of a fall look. This next one is a really easy one again. I just added a cute little cotton stem over here, and then I'll be sticking this really cute farmhouse looking fall sign over here. This next one is probably my favorite. I grabbed just a couple of these little soap dispensers from Dollar Tree and then some glass vases from Dollar Tree as well. And I've had this black spray paint laying around, but I did pick up this orange stained glass spray paint, and I'm really excited to be trying this. So all I'm doing is spray painting the glass vases with this clear orange spray paint, and then I will be spray painting the lid with the black. I had my husband help me with this, but he just drilled a hole through the top of this, and we will be adding the soap dispenser lid this way. The next thing you want to do is just add in your favorite soap and lotion, and then twist the lid back on. To complete this look, I just added some cute little leaf lights that they also have at Dollar Tree right now. And for the last DIY, I don't know what happened to the beginning portion of this clip, but somehow it got deleted. So all this was just one of those plain wooden like craft pumpkins that's also from Dollar Tree, obviously, and I just painted it white. What I'm going to be doing is give it that cute buffalo check print just by taping off some portions and painting them different shades of gray. So to start here, what you want to do is with a piece of painter's tape, go right down the center of the pumpkin or whatever object you are painting. Make sure that it's really flat and stuck really good, because if it's lifted at all, paint is going to drip through that. And all I'm doing is creating a pattern by using a little piece of tape in between to make sure each piece of tape is spread out perfectly. I'm starting out with vertical stripes, painting them all the same color gray, and then when that's completely dry, you want to wait at least a couple of hours. Then you will be going back over them with some horizontal stripes, again starting in the center of the pumpkin. Now the difference with this one is after you are done painting these, you actually want to leave the tape on and let them dry 100% this way as well. The next thing you're going to do is go back over with the tape in the same spot you laid it down originally. So you can clearly see through and you'll be able to see where the tape was originally, and just go back over those lines. You want to find where the lighter parts are, or just remember where you taped it off before. But again, you'll see some kind of lines there. You'll tape that again, and now you'll be going over with a darker shade and you'll be filling in all of those boxes. This is what gives you that really cute buffalo check look. The last thing I'm doing is just gluing on one of these cute little metallic thankful signs, and then I will just be throwing this into my wreath. So that's it for this fall DIY tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to sign up for TopCashBack so that you too can be saving money just for shopping at your favorite online stores.